BJP Manipur Pradesh Vice President and Wabagai MLA Dr. Usham Deben asserted that no political party in the country can suppress the BJP. He was addressing a gathering at a reception ceremony for former Congress and JDU workers from Santhel, Hangun and Nagapad who recently joined the party. Deben further noted that India has progressed significantly under the leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi over the last few years. He added that the popularity of the BJP has steadily increased due to its developmental works, citing recent landslide victories in several state elections as clear evidence. He maintained that the BJP's strength will not diminish in Manipur, claiming that the party has many developmental track records. Referring to his own constituency, Deben assured the public that the 12-kilometer road stretch from Sekmaijin to Maibomkonjin will be black-topped and other developmental works will be completed before the upcoming election.
Karena parti na sahih kunbakta uji paling BJP को मेजी नंदर का पांग नंदो को parti कर बंदे ये ना हम गेट को जनते